Happy Sunday. We just got in from church. We won't trouble you long today, but we wanted to let you know, check in with you and let you see what we're doing. We have the meat. I had to run to get some footies on. I was browning the meat for dinner, and the hubby took over.
The sous chef.
Okay.
Sous chef.
I don't know the definition of that.
I think that's the dishwasher, right?
No, I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know. Anyway, so we have the meat. We are browning the meat. Can y'all see that meat? Can anybody tell what it is without me saying? Yes, we have beef oxtails. Yeah, we're country. Now, we're not dirty country, but we're country enough where people say, he's out country, but that's all right.
She talking about the dirty South, y'all. Slidell, Louisiana, and Leesville, and DeRidder.
So we got the beef oxtails. We're about to put it in the oven. We're going to grate some carrots, put some potatoes over in there, some onions, and I'm going to have mashed potatoes. What else did I say we were going to have? Oh, green beans and maybe rolls. I don't fix a lot of bread. We don't do a lot of bread except for like holidays and stuff like that. Because, but we will get back with you. We just wanted to share and say happy holidays.
I will not share this.
What is that, honey?
I'm not going to tell you.
Is that yours? Is that the one you're picking out?
It's mine.
Okay. All right, well.
It's my oxtail.
I'm going to whip up some gravy and throw it over in the pan and let them cook for a couple hours. And that will be our Sunday dinner. So we'll get back with you after the food is done or maybe before. And,
Or maybe not.
why you say it like that in that voice?
Because it might not be none left.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we have the last three beef oxtails in the pan browning. And as I said before, I'm gonna whip up some pan gravy from this grease right here. I'll pour out all but maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons and then make the gravy. And thanks, honey. But I wanted to show you what we use to season or to brown the meat with. You really don't need to. I really don't need to make gravy because when you flour the meat, they're gonna make their kind of like own gravy in the over here in the roaster. But we like a little thicker gravy, and instead of my adding a thickening after the food gets done, I just go ahead and make the gravy and pour it over. But these are the seasonings that we use. We're rushing after church sometimes, so to make things faster, I'll use a seasoned flour. I'll add some paprika. I add garlic powder and onion powder. You don't need to add any salt because it's already salty enough. And then you just put the oil of your choice over in the pan. Alright, you can put those over in here, honey. Yeah. Why did you throw the first one? Alright, I'm going to turn the gas off. Alright, so I'm going to make the gravy.
In old school, you need an old school black frying pan too.
Yes, that is my grandmother's cast iron skillet. And I was blessed enough to gain one of her pans. So I'm going to whip up this gravy, get this meat into the oven, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm chopping up the onions and the carrots to put them over into the pan. They don't have to be fancy. And just sprinkle them over. Just toss them on over in there. So I used 1 medium onion. But if you like onions, you can put 1 large onion. And I have 3 carrots. These carrots are left over from, if you watched my Thanksgiving video, or our Thanksgiving video, we oops, when I did the carrot cake. So I want to use these up because sometimes the carrots can dry up in the refrigerator. Just throw them on over in there. And we're about to make this gravy. I have a cup of beef broth and then a half cup of milk just to make it creamy. But first, and I have the oil hot. See, it's sizzling. The flour I just threw in there is sizzling a little bit. Let me try not to have it so messy to help with cleanup. So I have about 3 tablespoons. Oh yeah, it's ready. About 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm gonna use equal flour. Just sprinkle it in there. 1, 2. You want to get that, and this is the seasoned flour. You can use regular flour. 3. My gravy always turns out just fine. I have the and this oil is from when I browned the meat, or when Chris and I browned the meat. You want to get that raw flour taste out, and you see the flour is starting to cook. And if you don't want to use the milk, which will add extra fat to your dish, you can just use all chicken broth, beef broth. Or if you have chicken broth, you can use chicken broth. Or just plain old water. So you get this to the color that you want. And so you get all that flour mixed up. Because you don't want lumpy gravy. You don't want to do, I don't want to do my grandma's pan injustice. I can stand here longer and get this browner, but the flour is cooked, and I need to get the meat into the oven. So turn this flame up because I'm about to put the liquids in. I'm gonna get the meat into the oven. I'm gonna set the timer for about an hour and a half. I'll come back and check it. And if it's done, if it's tender enough in an hour and a half, then we'll be good to go. If not, I'll let it cook a little bit longer. Sometimes they cook for like 2 hours. And so in the meantime, I'm going to make the mashed potatoes and get the green beans on. We'll be good to go. Thanks. Okay, so the timer went off for an hour and a half. So we're going to do an update. They're not ready. They're not tender enough. They're getting tender, but they're not ready. Do another 30 minutes and I'll check them. But you can see it's boiling. And see how the gravy has thickened up. I like how they get caramelized on the top. That's why I don't want to turn these over, because I like, they're kind of like sticky. I turned some of them over, but I like this to be on the top. Alright, so I don't want to lose all my heat from this oven. So, put this lid back on. Close her up and set that timer for another 30 minutes. And I'll check them again. Okay, so dinner's ready. It took the oxtails about 2 hours to get done. Honey, how many do you want?
One.
Okay. You want to start out with one?
Yeah.
You see where I cooked off the bone? And here are the mashed potatoes, or smashed, with, I put some butter on them, a little bit of pepper. Sometimes I do cream potatoes, sometimes I just do smashed potatoes. Just depends. I have the green beans, or string beans, as they were called when I was growing up. I have some ham, country ham, onions, and a little bit of rosemary. Turn this plate around. And Chris, because he likes to smoke stuff on the grill, he smoked like the skirt from the ribs that we had on Thanksgiving. We had ribs for Thanksgiving, and he cut the skirts off and had seasoned them already and put them into the freezer. So I'll get him, I don't know how much he wants. Get him just a piece right here. And there you have it. The oxtails, the southern style oxtails, I guess we'll call them that. We got the mashed potatoes, or smashed potatoes, and the green beans with onions and a little bit of rosemary and some ham. How you like dinner?
Boo.
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 Why?
We want dessert. Yeah.
Well, if you eat your dinner, you can have dessert. How do you like dinner, Christian?
No.
What?
No.
All right, so eat up. Oh, she asked for green beans. Give her green beans. Well, we're gonna
Baby beans.
we're gonna say happy Sunday night, happy holidays, and thanks for watching.
Google Gaga.
And remember, if you want to see more of Only the Andersons, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can see our next video.
Yes. And vote for a puppy. Give us 300 likes for a puppy.